The Vogel dial caliper is an essential tool for quality control. When attached to a magnetic stand, the sturdy base makes it suitable for measuring tolerances in cylindrical shaft balancing, workplace wear-out, and many other quality control applications. Magnetic bases can be turned on and off for fixture on magnetic worktops. Here we do a simple demonstration on the ridges of this workpiece. The sensitive spring mechanism allows for accurate measurement, and tolerance markings on the dial give easy tolerance reference points. This dial indicator comes in accuracies of 0.01 mm and 0.001 mm. Shop at President Trading for the best tools and service.